Hi, my name is Jason at KPI International Realty, and on this video I'm going to take you through some of the things you need to know to pass a home inspection in order to sell your home for top dollar. Home buyers want to know your home inside and out. According to industry experts, there's at least 33 physical problems that will come up during scrutiny during a home inspection. We've identified the 11 most common of these, and if not identified and dealt with, any of these 11 items could cost you a lot of money in terms of repairs. Now, in most cases, you can make a reasonable pre-inspection yourself. That is, if you know what you're looking for. So knowing what you're looking for can help you prevent little problems from growing into costly, unmanageable issues. Now, the first item is defective plumbing. Now, defective plumbing can manifest itself into two different ways: leaking and clogging. A visual inspection could detect leaking. Inspectors will gauge water pressure by turning all the faucets in the highest bathroom, then flushing the toilet. If water appears dirty when first turning on the faucet, then it's a good indication that the pipes are rusting, which could result in severe water quality problems. Cast iron pipes are a common problem for older homes in Florida and could cost thousands of dollars to fix or replace. Several companies offer a cheaper solution of internally sealing the pipes to avoid a complete replacement. Now, the second item is wall cracks in the foundation. Could cost you, anywhere between $200 to $1,000 to seal a crack in, around, or outside your wall foundation, depending on the severity and the location. Number 3 is inadequate wiring and electrical. Your home should have at least a minimum of 100 amp service. This should be clearly marked. Wires should be copper or aluminum. Home inspectors look for old or poor quality wiring that could cause potential fire hazards. Number 4 is roofing problems. Now, water leaks through a roof can occur for a variety of reasons, such as physical deterioration or asphalt shingles, or mechanical damage from a wind or a rainstorm. When this happens, water can run down and through your exterior walls and cause major problems. Find out more. Get a free report detailing all 11 of these critical inspection traps at our website, or you can contact us at 786-326-6900. Hey, if you know anyone that's considering making a move, feel free to give us a call or pass on our number. Ask for Ruby at 786-328-6900. Thanks for watching.